Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find duplicate data or duplicate value in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, I have prepared my data. And for example, I'm going to find duplicate values or duplicate data in this code column. So first thing first, we need to select the column, or we can select the data we want to find the duplicate values in. We can select them all, and we're going to go to the conditional formatting. Click on this conditional formatting menu and select highlight cell rules, and here we need to select duplicate values. Okay, then make sure you have selected duplicate option right here, and you have to choose the type of the tags you want to apply to the duplicate values. I'm just going to select this one, light red fill with dark red text, then click on OK. And I'm going to check it guys, and okay, as you can see, these are the duplicate values in this code column. And okay guys, that's how we can easily find duplicate data or duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.